So we have some medical terms related cerebral. Alright, so here we have cerebrum, alright, cerebrum. And this term we have cerebral, spinal fluid, cerebrospinal fluid. Alright, the third one we have cerebral palsy. They sound like a Z, palsy. So this is cerebral palsy, or you can say palsy. Both of them are accurate. Majority of people call them palsy, and also the same 50% of people also call it palsy. And this one is cerebral edema. Alright, cerebral edema. And the fifth one we have cerebral infarction, cerebral infarction. And the second last we have cerebral hemorrhage, sound like mall, hemorrhage, cerebral hemorrhage. Cerebral embolism, alright, cerebral embolism. Alright, now please follow me. Cerebrum, cerebrospinal fluid, cerebral palsy, cerebral palsy, cerebral edema, alright? This is cerebral infarction, cerebral hemorrhage, cerebral embolism, cerebral embolism.